Pass, go, pass, go, pass, go, go. Go, pass, go, pass, go, go.
Yeah.
Got him good.
Ow.
Whoa! I'm sorry, I keep speaking.
Welcome back, everyone. What better way to start the day than with a snag? As I was saying, welcome back. We are joined by the girlfriend today. She's over there, behind you. Just trying this stretch before I move up to the main structure, the main fishing event. Jigging the Ned rig for some giants. Just kidding. Oh, there was something. There he is. Smalley. That feels good. Oh, you're strong. Nice Smalley. There we go. Finally. Nice one. Thanks for playing, sir. Really appreciate it. Not a big one by any mean. Certainly fighting good though. Putting a really good bend on a medium rod. So of course I'm never gonna turn down any Smalley, because they're pretty much the funnest to catch. But ultimately, I'm trying to find some walleyes. Last week I was fishing on the other side, on the opposite bank. Caught a walleye, a couple of smallies. Really wanted to try that side for the sake of learning. Brought this girl with me. She's the perch whisperer. I don't know if she's the bass and walleye whisperer though. Stay tuned to find out. You really are my girlfriend. That's cool. Nice work. Good job. You did good. Give me your rod.
Thank you.
It's just you and the fish. Nice work.
High five.
I can't believe how strong he is. He's just a little guy. Nice work.
Up his nose.
It's good practice.
Oof. I got him good.
Oh, that was
You okay?
my fingy.
Ah, good job.
Cute little guy.
Can I drop it?
Not on the rocks. Feel like this is the thing to throw right now. And what makes me say that is the fact that I was jigging the Ned rig very slowly. And it's only when I started retrieving it quite fast that the little guy bit it. So we're gonna up the speed a little, up the flash. Don't even have time to change bait.
Well, I think I'm not sure. Ah,
Got some bass in it.
oh, yeah. I think it's good.
Strong little buddy.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice
Whoa.
work.
I think it's the biggest one, right?
Yeah,
Whoa.
just about.
Oh.
He's got them
Wow.
darker colors.
They're very beautiful
You want me to
in
do it?
here. Yeah. Oh.
Oh,
Whoa.
pulled your pants down.
Oh, I'm scared now. Okay.
Nice work.
Look.
That girl's on fire.
He's tired. Wake up. He woke up.
He woke up.
We should get a song for the bass. Bass go, bass go, bass go, go. Go, bass go, go, bass go, go.
Yeah. Go bass, go bass, go bass, go. Yeah.
Whoa, Michael, come.
Oh,
Oh!
what's that?
Whoa! I'm sorry. I can speak.
Oh, and that's a walleye, girl.
Oh,
Yeah. Good job. Nice work.
I'm the walleye rescuer.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You're slaying them. Let's keep that one in the water.
My
You-
butt.
What you doing?
I don't know. I'm keeping in the water.
You keeping yourself in the water. Okay. Got you.
My second wall. Second wall.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Can I touch it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna keep that guy for too long.
I want to release it, but I'm scared.
It's okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Next time.
Wow.
There he goes. Damn girl.
Did
Can't even throw my line in.
you catch me falling?
Yeah. Think. You're the every fish whisperer, yeah? That girl can do anything. I wish I was as good as you. Oh my god, that was so cool. Can you grab the net, please? Just a tiny guy, but that was so cool. I saw his eyes. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Thank you. Cute little guy. Let's get it right back so we can catch some more. You like it? Yeah. I just love evening fishing on this river. Get up here at 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Hopefully you catch a couple of bass. And then when it gets dark, it's walleye time. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon.